The cribriform plate is a series of holes in the ethmoid bone at the base of the skull. Axons from the olfactory sensory system pass into the brain via these holes. The ventralmost section of the skull is the ethmoid bone. It separates the nasal cavity from the brain. Axons from the olfactory receptor cells send projections into the olfactory bulb, which bundles into cranial nerve 1, the olfactory nerve. These axons pass through tiny holes called foramina. A sudden impact that displaces the brain in the anterior-posterior plane can result in a parasagittal contusion, which may result in anosmia, the loss of the sensation of smell.